Hey y'all, welcome to Connor Homestead. Today I'm out here in the food forest because we have a really nice overcast day and I am going to till for the first time. So get this thing together. I'm going to go ahead and top it off with gas. Now this tiller was at my grandmother's and it sat there for years not being used, so I got it repaired, and the guy told me it takes a 50-to-1 mix, and he told me that when you buy, the big 50-to-1 gas mix, it gunks up these machines, so get the gas and get the 50-to-1 that you actually pour in. Oh, there we go. So that's what I have done. Get this filled up, and we are going to till for the first time. All right, so I'm just going to get closer over here to where I need to be. We're going to start off around this one tree here. And we'll give it a go. Okay, got this in the run position. I did start it earlier, so it should start right up. Ow. Tell you what. Alright, you're not gonna work. Let's try again. Don't tell me I need to prime it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cold choke. It's on the on position. There we go. Come on. There we go. All right. Go fast. Maybe the problem is I'm trying to go in a circle and I need to just go in a straight line. I don't know. Well, I'm sure many of y'all can probably tell me what I'm doing wrong. The ground is wetter than I thought. We had not had rain for a while, but oh, woo! We haven't had rain for a while. I mean, a week or more, And but I forget how this ground over here tends to stay pretty saturated. That's why I wanted to get out here until before any rain comes. It's supposed to start tonight. And then I also want to be able, while it's raining, to spray the beneficial nematodes out here. But I will say it is still labor intensive, but at least my back shouldn't be hurting like it would if I were digging. It's tilling it up, but I don't know. I do wish that and I may consider going to Home Depot and renting their bigger tiller and hopefully just making better work out of this. But while I'm out here, I'm going to do what I can with this. I wish I would have brought a shovel out here to just kind of finish it up, or even a rake, because, yeah. But I also intend to put more wood chips down. I want the rain to come and penetrate the soil really well, so when I do come out and spray the beneficial nematodes, they like the soil moist. So I'm going to consider this area at least done for now. So this is one tree guild. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other major ones that I want to hit up to do. So that is what I'll work on, and then I'll bring y'all back for the finishing touch. I don't have too much time. It's overcast. It looks like it's going to rain any moment now. So we will see. Okay, I do want to say that I experimented with changing the depth better. Much better. I'm not going to go any deeper because it's pretty moist. So I'm going to hit these other areas. I feel a bit more confident now. I feel like I've gotten a better grasp on how this thing goes, and you know, it is tilling up. There's still a lot of leftover grass matter, but again, I'll come back in here after the rains and put down wood chips. I definitely see how it probably would go better if the soil wasn't moist, but there isn't anything I can do about that. Back here retains just a lot of moisture, even with minimal rain. And so I'm very limited to when I can start doing different types of work back here. So I have to get it done. But even this is just super helpful because these are my tree guilds, and I'll come in here and I want to get my goji berries and my blueberries and blackberries planted out. This also gives me a better idea looking at the landscape of what I want where. So for example, these two tree guilds are really, really close together, and so it wouldn't take much to complete this path through. When I planted the trees, I wanted to make sure that a riding mower could get through there. So also around the edges of these guilds, that's where I want to put my creeping thyme. So at some point, if I'm able to come back through here with a rake and clean this up a bit, I would love to be able to do that, but I don't know if I'll have the time for that. 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 4 major ones to go, and then there are 2 smaller ones I wouldn't mind tending to. Actually 3 smaller ones I wouldn't mind tending to, but they're difficult to see on camera, but we shall persevere. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plowing along. Time's going pretty well. I think I might have time to run to the greenhouse and get a rake afterwards and kind of rake through these. All right, the rain is here, starting to drizzle, and I got done just in time. Not going to be able to rake it up, but we've got 1 done here, number 2 done over here. Three done over here. There's number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, and even got, these 2 little ones, a little bit of material excavated around. It did get easier with some of these spots that don't retain water so much. So just kind of seeing how easy this will be to rake up. It looks like it'll be pretty easy to rake up. Since it isn't raining too hard, I think I am going to run to the greenhouse, grab the rake, come back out here, and see if I can just clean it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. I did not beat the rain. It's here, so I'm not going to be able to rake out there. But I did run into the greenhouse because I got my new emitters. And I was just looking to pop them in where they needed to be. And also check on the plants that we put out here yesterday. The watermelon are doing really well. That's a Roselle hibiscus. Everything's perking up. Look at that watermelon. Yeah, so they are loving it out here. I popped in some emitters from some that were missing and broken. So yeah, everything is looking well. The peppers are looking great that we just put out here yesterday. So I am going to, there is a rake already up by the house. I'm not going to rake in the rain. Let's leave these out here, checking on everything. Everything looks good, so it's a nice 62 degrees out here. All right, so that's it for today. We tilled the food forest. Wow. Okay. And we did it before the rain.